Hi, my name is Dr. Ghassan. I'm with Duly Pediatrics in South Naperville at the Rolling Ridge site. I'm here today to help you prepare for the big day of having a baby and what supplies to pack. All right, let's start with one of the most important things to bring on that hospital day, but it's a car seat. Make sure it is not expired. Make sure it is an infant carrier car seat. They will check this before you guys leave. The other thing I want to bring for the baby is a nice sleeper, okay, especially for one to go home with. If you forget this, they do have them at the hospital, but you will want one to go home with. And the ones that are nice are the ones that cover the hands, so that way they don't scratch themselves. Swaddles, they will provide swaddles for you, but if you have a favorite swaddle that you like, you can bring it to the hospital and use that one instead. But that sums up kind of all you need for a baby. Things I would pack for mom. If you're planning on breastfeeding, I would bring a nursing pillow. I would also bring nursing pads. They will have some nursing pads for you, but it's sometimes nice to bring your own. And then I would also make sure you have comfy pajamas. A lot of women like the ones that are buttoned, so that way it makes nursing easy. You should also think about bringing a nursing bra and some slippers, okay? It's super important to be comfortable, especially when you're going through this long day, and it's a rough day, but it's a happy one. Other stuff that you'll need for mom is you will need postpartum supplies. Now you can look online to figure out which ones you like. The hospital does have some, but I know a lot of moms, like my wife, they prefer to get their own. Frida makes some. Make sure you have a good peri bottle. Make sure you have pads. Make sure you have disposable briefs. The hospital will provide ice packs, and it will also, another good thing that a lot of moms like is dermaplast and lanolin. Those are all things that I would put in your bag. Something I would bring for mom and dad, plenty of hydration. Make sure you bring your own water bottles. You don't want to be waiting on nursing to come get you drinks or any of the staff. I would also bring gum. It's kind of nice to have gum while you're there, especially when you're waking up at all times of night. Bring lots of snacks. If mom has a guilty pleasure like Oreos, you can think about bringing that. I would also bring a phone charger. The longer the cord, the better, because you want it to reach the bed, okay? And then bring your toiletries, bring your toothbrush, bring your toothpaste, bring your glasses, bring your contacts. Also important to bring chapstick. The hospital can get pretty dry at night. And then the other stuff I would bring is a pillow. You know, they have pillows at the hospital, but they're not super comfortable. So I'd bring your own, one for you, mom, and one for you, dad, okay? Anything else that you enjoy as far as entertainment, whether it's phone, headphones, or if you need help sleeping with a sleep mask, bring a sleep mask. But that's just some of the stuff that I would think about bringing. Do your research, figure out what you guys want to bring, talk to each other. But congratulations, have a great day. This is exciting, you know, make it fun, stay positive. That's one of the things that us dads can do to help moms is stay positive and bring a positive attitude, okay? Because it is a little bit stressful and anxious, but it's also very exciting.